If you're trying to lose weight and you're craving pizza, this cheesy hot honey chicken pizza packs over 90 grams of protein, so crispy and delicious, way better than ordering takeout and easy to make. To a bowl, add plain flour with salt, garlic, baking powder, followed by blended cottage cheese. Mix till you get these doughy clumps, then knead into one big dough ball. Then divide it into 2 equal balls and set aside. Next, slice your chicken into small cubes, then add these simple seasonings with olive oil, then mix well till the color changes. Cook on medium heat for 6 minutes until golden and delicious. Then lightly flour your surface. Press the dough. Fold the edges to form the crust, then place on a baking tray. Poke tiny holes with a fork, then add pizza sauce, oregano, low-fat mozzarella, your cooked chicken and turkey bacon, and grated parmesan. Oven bake for just 8 minutes until golden and crispy. Add more parmesan, drizzle of honey and chili flakes. These are the crispiest, high-protein, cheesy chicken tacos. Less than 300 calories each, incredibly delicious, so crunchy and perfect for weight loss. Slice your chicken thighs into small cubes, add these seasonings with olive oil, and if you can still see chicken, add more seasoning. Cook this on medium heat for 6 to 8 minutes until golden and delicious. Then give that chicken a taco hug until fully covered. Add a layer of mozzarella, some of that juicy chicken, fresh salsa, then fold and press tightly like so. Repeat this for 6 tacos, then oven bake or air fry for 8 to 10 minutes until golden and super crispy. For the taco sauce, mayo, chipotle paste, these seasonings, and a dash of milk. Blend till completely smooth, then bottle it up for the week. Serve the tacos while they're hot and crispy with the sauce. And if you're looking for delicious, high-protein meals to lose weight, this is incredibly delicious, only 540 calories, so easy and perfect to meal prep for the week. Get your boneless chicken thighs, seasoned with salt, Italian herbs, chili flakes, parsley, garlic and onion powder, paprika and olive oil. Mix till the color changes, then slice just like this. Drop in a pot of cold water, then boil for 12 to 14 minutes until fork tender just like this. Steam for 5 minutes before mashing till smooth and fluffy. Then add light butter, warm milk, salt and garlic powder. Mix till completely smooth and fluffy. Then lay down your chicken thighs on a sheet pan. Oven bake or air fry for 25 minutes till golden and juicy just like this. For the creamy sauce, add light butter to a pan with this extra seasoning. Let it toast before adding milk, light cream cheese, parmesan and a handful of spinach. Stir till thick and creamy, and finally your high protein